Ligpit ASMR break time. Okay, I'm gonna pee second. Ugh. Ah. Hello guys, my name is Nicolo Piquero. I'm from this bahay, Marilao, Bulacan. Batuwid, Marilao, Bulacan, 67 Bonifacio Street. At ito po, this is my first ginawa ko ng Ligpit ASMR. So nakadalawa na akong sinen. As you can see, break time na natin. Kaya ako binidyo, itong pamagat nito ay Ligpit ASMR break time. So let's do this. Ito tinapay. Pero bago muna careful, may mga bungod dyan. Nagligpit na ako na ito. Okay. Kung ito tirapan niya. May cheese pa itong naman eh. Ako ito eh. Magkakpala yung laman. Kaya, ito kasi yung harap. Okay. Simulan na natin. Ano ba naglalaro ka na basketball? Ano yung bola? Ano yung bola? Uy, ang ina, stop! Ano ba yan? Yan. Practice tayo ng shot. Uy. Sorry. Dahon. Saan makakalawang ngayon? bad idea to. Medyo tigas ng kanyang dahon. It's bad idea. Oh, no, 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 no! Anak mo, di pa mabunggo siya ng Chiki. Muntik na talaga mabungga. Next naman, nandito tayo. Higa-higa lang tayo at mata tayo Chiki.
Gotcha! Look who dropped in, just in time to do some time. That means go to prison.
Well, I think we have a clear winner. Stealing Thunder!
Can I get a quote for the paper? What did it feel like to jump from 2 planes? I have to be honest. That was incredible!
Big whoop. I've jumped out of planes before.
You mean the one on the playground?
Shut it, Trent.
Lincoln, I'll do your homework. Dibs on his algebra. My pudding. No, take mine.
Loud, your movie changed my life. Have some extra pizza sticks. Lincoln, sign my sandwich.
Sign my face.
Lincoln, why did you lie to everyone? I have hives for you. What? It wasn't completely lying. I did the bounce house stunt. You almost fell off the roof. Lynn jumped from a plane onto another plane. It's not the same. I know, and I'm sorry. I just got caught up in the moment. No one has ever looked at me like that before. And look at all these pizza sticks. You remember when I was voted most likely to trip over nothing? Being cool like this is new for me. The only thing
Yun lang, natapos natin. Berta, maraming salamat. Paalam! Aray! Aray! Napilay ako tuloy! Napilay ako tuloy!